Okay, the Astra A-75 chambered in 45 ACP. That's what I like, that big old hole right there. You can also find these in 9mm and 40 cal. These were actually sold in the U.S. from about 1993 to 1998. Now, the original version was the A-70, which was basically just a single action pistol. Well, this one here is double action and single action. So that's the difference between an A-70 and an A-75. And of course it is unloaded. But let me show you here. This is not a safety, this is a decocker right here. And so if you're left-handed, you could use that. And the magazine release is also reversible too, so you're in good luck if you're left-handed. Again, single action and double action. It's got a smooth trigger pull, double action. It is a little heavy, but it's smooth, and it's got a very nice single action pull on it. Now, when I bought this, it came with 3 magazines, and let's take a look at the magazines here. Astra caliber 45 Spain, 7-round magazine, and made by Mekar, so that's a good thing. Barrel 3.5 inches, weighs 31 ounces. Sights on this, actually not bad. Lighting kind of screws that up, but yeah, 3-dot system. Really, I tell you what, it feels really good in the hand. And it's about the size of a SIG P229, if you've ever shot one of those. So you know what, I think that about covers it. I'm anxious to get out and shoot it, so my son and I will see you guys out on the range. Man, I just love beaming down. If you've never done it, you don't know what you're missing. Hey, welcome to beautiful, windy Southern Nevada. You know, 2 days ago, I went into my local gun shop, and I was looking at the used pistols, and bam! They had this little Astra A-75 for $300. So I looked at it, and I'll tell you what, I almost instantly fell in love with it. I have a little experience with Astra firearms. These are actually made in Spain, and they were imported into this country for many years. But I bought an Astra revolver back in the 70s. Yeah, so check this out. This is me back in 1979 with my Astra revolver, chambered in .357, almost identical to a Smith & Wesson. This one has a 8.5-inch barrel. Anyways, man, I love that revolver, but I ended up trading it a few years later. So I do have a little experience with Astra firearms, and you know what? Quality has been excellent on these. Anyways, he's asking $300 for this, right? I handled it, really liked it, but I just didn't know enough about the A-75. So I went home, did a little research, and everything I found or read about this, man, guys that have owned them just really liked them. So I went back yesterday and I bought it. Came in a box with 3 7-round magazines, and you know, he had $300 on it, plus tax would have been $325. Okay, so again, he had $300 on it. With tax, would have been about $325. So I haggled a little bit, and I got it for an out-the-door price of $290. So you figure about $265 plus tax. So really, really happy about that. Haven't shot it yet, so I don't know what's going to happen. But I do have it lubed and cleaned and ready to go. I've got my son here. So you know what? It's time to shut up and shoot. That was a good one right there, son.
That was better.
That was better. Hey, real quick, let's take a look at the ammo I'm going to use today. I've got some SIG 230 grain full metal jacket. Federo, again, 230 grain. I've got some of my own reloads. I've got 7 rounds loaded up of Federo, so let's go shoot it. All right, I got a target set up at 7 yards. 7 rounds of 45. Again, I have not shot this, so let's see what happens. And I do have earplugs in. Did not lock back on that last round. I don't know why. But, son, go ahead and zoom in on that target. Okay, so here's that same magazine. It is empty. But you know what? It locks back fine, so not sure what happened there. So I'm going to try 7 rounds in a different magazine. Huh. Well, you know what? I might have to tweak the spring on the slide lock, but hey, you know what? That's an easy fix. It is shooting good, so son, you're up.
All right, let's give this a shot. Not bad. The recoil is really not as bad as I thought it would be.
Yeah, no, I thought it would be a little harsh, but really it's not.
No, not at all. All right, time to try that one-handed. Not bad at all. I like it.
Yeah, neat little pistol, huh?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to try one-handed. That first round is going to be double action. Nice. Yeah. Okay, son, she's all yours. Nice. Oh, nice. Hey, it locked back. Look at that.
Hey.
All right. Oh, nice. Hey, I think you got 1 round left if you want to hit that plate again.
Might as well.
Oh,
There we go.
good shooting, son.
Thank you.
What you got, son?
Some little leftover pumpkins from Halloween, believe it or not.
Yeah, let's shoot him.
Let's do it.
You know what? Don't move, son. I'm going to grab me a rock right here. That's how you do it, baby.
Good shot.
Yeah. I've got some of these semi-wad cutters. These are target loads. I'm going to see if this pistol is going to cycle them. So, I got 7 rounds. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it likes those target loads. Hey guys, you know, my son and I, we put a lot of rounds through this today, and as far as reliability, 100%. Man, just what a sweet shooting pistol, and accurate. Now, I do have to replace that slide stop spring. Once I do that, you know, actually that will give me an excuse to come out and shoot this again, and maybe next time I can put some hollow point ammo through it. But man, just shot really great today. If you come across one of these for about 300 bucks, don't even hesitate, man. Just jump on it. Sweet shooting pistol. Hey, look at that. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. And 100% reliable. I do have to switch out that slide slop spring. Wow, what are you laughing at? God, son. We did not have one single problem with it, except for the side swipe swing. Cut.